name is Catherine Guyon. I'm a master's student here at Eastern in the clinical psychology program. I have been here 2 years and am planning to stay a third year to do my thesis. I'm involved on the Eastern Michigan University Parenting Project, which is a longitudinal study aiming to look at mothers' transition to parenthood. We started visiting with these women in their third trimester of pregnancy, and they're currently, their children are turning 3. So we've been with them for a pretty long time. So my research takes a little tidbit from that study. I'm looking at some data we collected 3 months postpartum and 1 year postpartum. And I looked at these affective variables in women, depression and maternal self-efficacy, and they were measured 3 months postpartum, and how those variables affected the baby's expression of affect at 1 year postpartum. So just really looking at the relationship between those variables and how, because we know that infants learn how to regulate and express their own emotions through what they get from their parents. And mothers who are depressed, we know, tend to display more negative affect or more flat or withdrawn affect. So we're wondering if these babies are picking up on that and therefore displaying more negative affect later in life. So what we found basically is that depression does relate to infant affective expression, but more so it's the maternal self-efficacy that relates to more positive affect later in life. Well, I'm currently still working on the project, doing the 3-year interviews, 3 years postpartum. So I'm currently involved in going on those interviews and meeting with the women. We meet with the women in their homes. So I hope to continue doing that next year and do my thesis on this project. I hope to look at trajectories of depression over time. So looking at depression from the third trimester of pregnancy through 3 years postpartum, and how different trajectories of depression can affect the baby's expression of affect, and to see if maybe there are critical or sensitive periods where the mom's mental health is more influential on the baby, be it 3 months postpartum, or maybe it's more influential later in life at 1 year or 2 years postpartum.
Great.